Hello, my dears! Buttercup here, ready to bring you another delightful and fun recipe. The holiday season is approaching, and with it comes one of my personal favorite flavors, gingerbread. Today, we will be baking absolutely scrumptious gingerbread bars. And not only that, these bars are vegan friendly. Isn't that wonderful? Let's get started. We will begin by combining 3/4 cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar to a large mixing bowl. Cream the oil and sugars together for a couple minutes. Now, let's talk about sugar for a moment. While researching vegan baking, I learned that refined sugars are not always considered truly vegan. That is because during the refinement process, some sugars are filtered through bone char to give them that pure white appearance. It's hard to know for certain which brands still use this process. However, one easy way to be certain is to purchase organic sugar. To be certified organic, the sugar cannot be filtered using bone char. You can also use beet sugar instead of cane sugar, as that also does not use bone char. Next, we will add in 1/4 cup of molasses. An essential gingerbread ingredient. And mix well. Once that is done, add in 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. And again, combine. In a separate bowl, measure out 2½ cups of sifted flour. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. All in, wee! Whisk together well. Now we will slowly add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Using a 13 by 9 inch baking pan that has been greased well or lined with parchment paper, we will carefully pour our mixture into the pan and use a spatula to spread it out evenly. It is going to be a very thick batter. Bake in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the edges are nicely browned and the center is slightly firm. While our bars are baking, let's make a tasty glaze to go over top. We will need powdered sugar for this. Now, remember our discussion from earlier about sugar? Well, I wasn't able to find any organic powdered sugar at my local grocery store. Luckily, powdered sugar can actually be made at home with just 2 ingredients. So let's try it out. You will need a blender or a strong food processor for this. Measure out 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now, all we have to do is blend this together for several minutes until it becomes very, very fine. You ready for this? We lost it all. So we had our first real buttercup disaster. That's my powdered sugar in process on the floor. And my poor blender that has perished. Very, very sad. Rest in peace is. So, yep, that was exciting. And these things happen. Easy peasy. Once your powdered sugar is ready, combine together with 2 to 3 tablespoons of non-dairy milk. I am using oat milk for mine, as I find the taste to be quite pleasing. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk together until a consistency is reached that is easy to pour. Pour the glaze over your bars while they are still warm and spread out evenly. Allow the bars to cool completely, then cut them into squares for serving. Oh, that delicious smell of gingerbread is just beyond delightful. These bars are soft and chewy and just full of incredible flavor. A perfect treat as we near the holidays. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you enjoy vegan recipes, be sure to check out my amazing recipe for vegan lemon cookies. I guarantee they will not disappoint. And if you love baking as much as I do and want to help support my channel, consider subscribing to my Patreon. You will get early access to all my videos, sneak peeks at new recipes, behind-the-scenes content, as well as access to an exclusive Discord chat group. Be sure to find the link in the description below. Until next time, mwah!